Hey, what's up guys? It's Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here one of the latest model kit from a bootleg company, which is I think this has to do with the Solomon Faisalis and the Comet Industry or Comet Technology Sinanju. And because of the box, that's why I can tell. But correct me if I'm wrong, even though they are all the same for me. They are Chinese bootleggers. So this is the 1100 Jeda, or the counterpart from Gundam Universal Century Grand Suit, which is the Jagan or the Jagan. So this is the rendition for the Jagan kit, which is from the Bandai model. So let's check this Jeda here, 1/100 scale from Chinese bootleg company, and let's see how this kit, or what would be this kit has to offer collectors. So fine Vera, loose hits. So there we go, we got here these kind of box. It's like a shoebox from a fake company, and also again this is a fake company or a bootlegger company, but it has some, some, I don't know, maybe someone will get angry with me if I say third-party bootleggers or fake peoples, fake Chinese are fakes. That's it. So that's how I can say it. Chinese are fakes. Anyway, they are improving. So there, I might sound racist, but I'm a racist, by the way. Okay, so there we got here this kind of packaging. Again, let's have a quick look, because I really like the packaging here. So there we got this kind of blueprint kind of printout. Damn. And we got this kind of instruction manual, which looks like a Bandai. Yeah, it's actually, this one improves. Solomon Faisalis and the Comet Technologies manual from the Sinanju and the Gundam GPO2 Faisalis. They got the typical Chinese kind of printout, but this Jeda here, this RGM-88X JIEDA, a mass-produced mobile suit, comes with a manual that really looks like from Bandai. Very nice. And so let's check the contents. So there we get the parts list, and we get a color print out of the water slide decals there. And we got for me, this is a very simple kit to build. It's not that complicated. The patterns of the assemble process, it's not that hard, and it's a very common or a very easy way to follow. So this kit is, for me, a beginner friendly kit. So if you're a beginner with Gunpla and you're poor, you can buy this very cheap model kit from China. So the Jeda. And then we got this action base stand. By the way, the action base, I was impressed a bit with the action base stand. And there we got the decal placement. So the decal placement here are, again, this is border slide decals. So I'm very, I really don't like border slide decals. And damn, look at this wrap here. The wraps are identical with the Bandai kind of wrapper here. It really looks like a Bandai kind of packaging. So we got here I like the green, to be honest. I like the blend or the shade of this green, and it looks like, um, you know, kind of, well, okay, the RE100 Gone Easy. Yeah, that's it, the Gone Easy color. And there we got gray parts for, I think this one for the inner frame of the legs. There you go. And we got here green armor. And we got this gray parts here for the inner frame for the guns, for the shield, and the beam saber effect. The beam saber effect is quite large, very big. And we got here gray parts for the inner frame parts. And there I got some red parts and mostly green parts and this light gray parts here. Then we got yellow parts, again yellow parts, green parts, and this gray parts. I don't know what's the difference. Okay, so you have the option on using whether gray or this kind of green. Okay, it's a gray or green thing. And we got this action base. So we got here batteries. Yeah, we got 2 sets of batteries. And there, this is the light. So we got lights and batteries. And we got this other parts for the action base. And there's this Amorore sticker. So it's RGM-88X 100 Jeda or Jeda whatsoever, but this is Jagan. So there we got it's this Billober it's Amorore Obrator. What the fuck, Chinese? China, learn English. Okay, so it's Obrator Amorore. That's it. And we got this kind of metal rod here with some rubber port or rubber cover, and this is the port for the action base. There we got this. I think this one is cool. I might like this action base stand. This kind of action base stand. It's cool. It's very cool. I might consider this action base. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner B, and this has to do with the leg armors and the shield. By the way, I find the plastic very nice. It's not smooth, it's a bit matted, and judging the appearance of this plastic, this has, or it has prone to have a stress mark, so be careful. But plastic quality, it's a bit Bandai quality. So we got gray parts here for the inner frame part. So we got runner H, and we got here runner E, 2 sets of runner E for the inner frame. And we got this runner C here for the green armor pieces. So we got 2 of this runner C here. And we got this runner K here for this dark green, military green colored plastic parts. Then we got here runner G for the inner frame parts. We got this clear blue beam saber effect parts and other beam thing here. It's what do you call this? So it's a beam or divisor. Yep. So we got here runner F for the gray parts, chunky parts. We got here runner D, 2 sets of runner D for the inner frame parts. Then we got this small runners. We got here runner M, 2 kinds or 2 sets of runner M. One is white, one is green. So I might use this white part here to have contrast with the model. Okay. So we got here yellow parts, runner J1 for this kind of yellow. So I really like the color yellow here. It's a bit McDonald-ish yellow. And we got here your runner J2, two sets of runner J2. Okay. And we got red parts here, runner N. Okay. And we got runner A1 and runner A2. And finally, we got this runner L for the gun, and I think this one for the shield parts. And don't forget, we got here water slide decals. So it got a decent kind of water slide decals where we can see there the crest for the Earth's Federation Space Force, and there we got Earth's Federation Space Force writings or markings, insignia, numbers, and this kind of danger thing. Okay. And lastly, the instruction manual. So again, thank you so much for watching this unbox review of this Chinese product here, Chinese company, RGM-88X JIEDA. And this is an Immoral model kit or mobile suit. Okay, so see you next time on the finished product. Good night, God bless, take care.